Lady Trans Lovies. I'm your girl Lady, bringing you your hottest news. This is actually a tea, and be careful, it might burn your tongue. Jessica Nkosi says she is leaving Isibaya for greener pastures. Jessica, who plays the role of sweet and lovable heroine Queen Qondi, has bid farewell to Mzansi Magic's most watched show. Her character has grown over the years. Qondi went from being a girl serving the tea to being a queen who was being served. Yes, I am leaving the show, but I am still shooting my last scenes right now. I am not sure how Qondi is going to exit the show, but I will know in the coming weeks as I'm having a meeting with the production team, she said. So guys, Qondi is actually joining Nomzamo, and they actually leaving Isibaya. It's a bit sad because we loved her, but anyway, she's going for greener pastures, so we wish her well and all the best. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out till next time.